What's up, guys? This is the 17th of June. I took a video because I was feeling that there's going to be a setup, which there was, but I didn't have enough time because I was just setting up my laptop and I missed this 30-second, perfect 30-second enter of that video or even just out of the close like this at 3121. But I don't know why. It's not the same, bro. It's not the same contracts. Do I have to change it to like NQ, what? What are we right now? NQ M6, NQH6, NQH7? Like, where are we, bro? Seriously. I don't really know. It's not the same lines, but if I was here, my entry would be here, like a 30 points type shit. Oh, now this is a long. Oh, yeah, it's a long. It's an SMT off of it. Yeah, that's an entry right there. Oh, the trade mode isn't on here. Buy limit. Oh, should do too. Buy limit. Sell stops. It's an SMT off of this. Tell me you're gonna retrace on me. It's a five. Oh my gosh. It's a perfect TP. 30 points. Come on. Should have just market ordered it. Should have just market ordered it, guys. Because it's gonna be a TP right there. Pretty sure. Pretty sure it's gonna be a TP right there. That could have been a quick ass day. Where's an SMT out of this low? Yeah, I wasn't able to take it. So I wasn't looking at the charts here. We still have this actual sell side. There was an SMT, bro. Really, really perfect. What you saying there's an SMT for? It's an equal low. My bad, my bad. It's not an SMT. Because this was an equal low here. It's not an SMT, my bad. Why did I say it's an SMT? There's the sell side liquidity, the 745 low. It's the same low, right? Yeah, it's the same low. Yeah, it's the same low because this is the sell side. This is hourly intermediate low. Oh, it's just really lower in that manner. Oh, but still, it's a perfect long opportunity. Oh, I wasn't able to take it. So if I marketed it, it's perfect. Actually, I'm willing to market it, but I wasn't able to place my stops right away. Perfect entry. Perfect entry trigger, in my opinion. Under 25 points. 30 points TP. Just be done in the day. 50 points got mogged as well. Then, where's this? There's 9:30 news, right? There were also 9:30 news today, which um, makes this high a data high. Oh my days. That is just so unfortunate. I mean, it's not an SMT, it's actually an equal low, but earlier it looks like an SMT. I don't know why. I'm gonna look back in the video later, but it seemed like it's not. But oh, it was perfect longs off of that. Who said long and off of here ain't good? Perfect longs in my opinion. I'm gonna connect here my trade rate so I can see the fill later, if ever. That's perfect longs, bro. Perfect longs. To anyone who would say that's not a good long, bro, stop it. There's just really no retrace. Come on. Really, really nice long. What's happening with my laptop right now? Why is it playing with me? There you go. And I missed the move. I missed the move. I missed the move. Perfect long opportunity on this 1 minute gap. And yeah, in my opinion, it's a trade of the day. I know Pat took that. But why is it equal low though? If it's the 758 low. Why is it equal lows though? Why did it look like it was an SMT earlier? It was like something like this. But if this was here already right away, I wouldn't have first place, but I don't know why it was an SMT in the first place. Nas 100 didn't take it. SP 500 didn't take it. So why did we react off of that? That's a good thing. That's a good thing to take to just check. Okay, we took all this high, giving us an SMT over that. I mean, actually, there's no SMT. Just took some to the buy side, which is an hourly intermediate high. To see about 15-minute intermediate high, 15-minute and hourly intermediate high. That's a really huge ass wick, but I think it's generated liquidity because we just took this gap, swept this 15-minute intermediate high. We just need is a rejection lower. So we're gonna have this 3-minute open up pretty soon. This could send us lower if we get this inverse in 3 minutes. But I'd rather want to see a new leg. I think a new leg looks better, in my opinion. And the 3 minutes gone, so I'm gonna use this as a reference anymore. By the way, my laptop's not charging, bro. When it's trade mode on, it's pretty hard to see. Pretty hard to see. It's pretty hard to see. Anyways, you can see here, we're funded on two accounts. Um, this one is a winning trade, bro. To anyone who took this long, kudos to you. But honestly, to look back now, I wouldn't have taken it. I don't know, at that moment, it looked like there was an SMC with ES. Like, ES took it, NQ didn't. So it's like, just take the long here, go for 50 points, and be gone in the day. If that was the case, bro, in the first candle, I'm already break even. So, it's pretty good in that side. Still have this 2-minute gap. Don't have a 3-minute on NQ though. Um, ES does have a 3-minute, a really big one. So this one's gonna tell me it's like, okay, are we gonna remain bearish or remain bullish, or this is just a manipulation higher? But for me, this looks like a high resistance high, 4 hour intermediate high. But I'm not gonna remove the fact that it could still go higher. So I'm not gonna remove that fact. So we just tap EQ now. 3 minutes, is there like even, no, it's not even a slightest bit of 3 minute in this leg. So I'd rather want to see the price go up first to resweep, or this 2 minute just gonna follow inverse at 950 mark, at 950 inverse, which it's pretty much did. But I'm not gonna have like, what's that, 40 point stop forever. So I want to see, um if you're really bearish, give me more direction. Guess this one could still hold, but I really want to see a flush here, like something like this, a really awesome flush. My thing here is if the trim it inverses here on ES, and then simultaneously NQ inverses this last gap, I'm gonna take this short. I don't usually do that, but this one is just too obvious not to take. Let's put trade mode on this contract. Six. We didn't quite inverse it yet. There we go. Because this last minute gap can be where the place where price reacts. Because okay, the 3 minute rejected. If this inverses, this means it's a long. Yeah, this means it's a long. Yeah, I'm willing to long this if price would allow us to get the long on this 1 minute. The 30 second already gave the entry, but my trigger would happen here in this 1 minute because we're still respecting bullish order flow based on NQ here. NQ even tap on a 5 minute. I mean, yes. NQ inverse means we're long, and we didn't. Why though? Why did we fail the 1 minute? All right, this one is a BPR that we're holding right now. Because if we're gonna look at ES, bro, ES tap on a 5 minute gap, on a 3 minute gap, and failed to displace through it. So in my opinion, we're definitely throwing higher now because that order flow displaces. But the 1 minute fails, showing that we want to go lower now. Hmm. Let's see on this. Still have 10 minutes, I mean 10 seconds for the candle. You could still inverse. This one's a lower probability inverse. If it does play out. If it does play out. So yeah, 950 is failing to move equal lows at the low. 5 minute. Let's see this 5 minute. Still have some time. I want to take this shorts. But is there anything? I mean, we already had this 2 minute inversion. Didn't tap any sort of something to deliver from though. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for now. Nothing's clear actually. Nothing's really clear. 950 low. This is the macro low as well. It's just bouncing too for value gaps. You need to see a clear break on either of that. I charge my laptop pretty soon. Respecting this 15 minute gap at the moment. I mean, we had a 5 minute inversion to the upside, but we're failing to follow through. We're gonna use ES. ES is respecting bullish bidder raise right now. That's why I'm flipping bulls. Flipping bulls, guys. Flipping bulls. 5 minute, 3 minute. There are also 2 minute gaps here on this time frame. So we're gonna remove that. I'm gonna put this on. This was looking pretty choppy. For me, guys, if you took this long, perfect longs of all time. For me personally, I'll just take 50 points, under 50 points, something like this at the end of the day. But I wasn't able to take it. If you were able to take it, do that. Or 300 points. No 5 minute, not 5 minute open up, nothing. Not even a 3 minute. I don't like that. Yeah, I might just take this inverses. I'll take more note on the 3 minute. Say it's a bigger gap. We'll close in a minute. If this closes, this 3 minute closes bearish, and this 1 minute closes bearish, which is this one. It's perfect shorts, in my opinion. 15 point stop. Then you're gonna just target this low for 30 points. Okay, that closes. Okay, 1 minute closed. Sell limit. Buy stop. Maybe take me. No, it didn't take me. Ah, come on. That's the freest short, bro. Anyways, didn't take me. No retrace, but it's an actual Mogs 50 points lower. This one's a nice looking short. Didn't get filled though. Didn't get filled. Yeah, just didn't get filled. Unfilled. I had so much conviction on that one. I'm gonna put here unfilled. Alright, locked up storage, so we're back at it. It's the actual sell side liquidity now. On yes, on NQ. We're still here, but yeah, we got left unfilled here. We're also close to end log, so we're probably gonna fill end log today. Really unfortunate being unfilled in that one. Had so much conviction, bro. We got like 2 minute IFVG over here earlier. I already got it. We're not stopping there, it's not clear, but when there's this surge of volatility, I just knew it was the time to get the shorts, but didn't quite happen as I would like to be. If you took this really nice shorts, in my opinion, you can get 50 points. Stop would be here. My stop personally was here. If the RR was giving me RI, it's just really perfect to take the short. Um, yeah, so we can get a three-minute continuation off of this. I still want the lows. This is an equal low on the sell side liquidity. We also have this 4-hour low on ES. It is a really good draw on liquidity. I'm going to remain bearish until I'm proven wrong. If this is an equal low, see that? I said when we had a 3-minute inversion, I'm hopping in, but we just didn't get the fill. I had so much conviction on it, but again, we just didn't get the fill. So I still have this sell side, still have this envelope lower. So looking pretty bearish. Trades for the day. I was just able to get my laptop nice. Would have hopped in here market. Here I was willing to really go limit order because it with this type of PA, like you can see the top here, anticipating this a little bit of pullback. This is a pullback of nothing though. That's nothing. It's not even a pullback. This is like the first S. This one is not S plus actually. This short right here looks S plus. This FVG is holding so much. Surge of volatility inversely last presented for value gap is holding this equal lows. And what happens after that? Obviously just go lower. Still equal lows on this sell side liquidity. This now will become a 3-minute gap. Give me a retrace, please. Can you give me a retrace before going higher? It's willing to take a short of a sweep here. Short of a that target this low something. Just got this until the sell equal low and sell liquidity. Also until 4 hour. Until the hourly as well. If we don't hop the zone, that's jokes. 10:05 is the perfect time to manipulate. It's gonna be a 5-minute as well. That might be the case. But remove that and remove this. What is toggle? Oh, okay. Toggle, toggle, toggle. So about to sweep that 3-minute high. We did. So we got their 3-minute turtle soup. I'll use this gap instead. So we can see the EQ as well. Still have 2 minutes in this 3-minute gap, which is also a minute on the 5-minute. I want to still see this go lower because this is an equal low on ES. They're literally equal lows. So I'm looking at this as just a manipulation. Let's see if we can tap the EQ of this 3-minute and get shorts off of that. Get shorts off of that. Why do we have like chop on my charts here? I can't see shit. Alright. Okay, the 5 minutes about to open. 5 minutes about to open. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to get manipulated. And it's not valid for me to short as well for the 3-minute, knowing that we didn't even tap EQ and also opening a 5-minute. So this is a waiting game here. What do I mean didn't tap 3-minute in the EQ? To the EQ, didn't tap it. So I'm just waiting until we get this EQ tap something. Yes, we can get it. If we can get it, we can get it. NQ87. Um NQM6. Why is it not the same with my NQ here? I think there's a scaling type of things. Not gonna worry about that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just chill here until this 5 minute gets taken out. Yeah, just wait for this 5 minute to get taken out, which is also actually maintain me high. So yeah, let's wait it and see some short form because this is some sort of LR. Two shorts wasn't taken. What's up, boys? I'm looking at this. It's a valid 5 minute long if we did inverse. But if we fail, there's definitely a 30-second short off of it. It's not the clearest though. It doesn't look live bulb. So what I don't like about it, but it looks pretty fine. It looks pretty fine. You know, if you're talking narrative wise, should be a sell limit here, and there should be a buy stop here. Hope we get filled before this shit dumps. Fill me before you dump, dog. Risking about 20 points here. Give me the fill. Give me the fill. All right, guys, we're filled. 30.74, so 30.24. It's about right here. It's gonna be my what? Buy limit. All right, I'm gonna move stops to break even here. Winning day. I'm out of that. I'm out of that. I'm just gonna go winning day today. Fuck it. Uh, it looks good, but it looks like it's gonna get very yeah. I went out. I was up 500 at some point, but I felt like I'm just gonna get stopped at a break even. It looks like really choppy, but we got the entry we wanted, which was here. But so it means we're trading at different contracts because it didn't even hop in here on this NQ. So cannot really see my fill. But yeah, I got a winning day there. It's not really the best trade, tell you that. I definitely would like to just maybe hop in when we take this internal low. But I was like, I'm done with that. It just doesn't look like the best. So I'm gonna manually lock out now. At least we got a winning day. I'm gonna stop there. Probably not gonna have any more trades this week because tomorrow I'm not home. It's Thursday, and on Friday it's a bank holiday. So at least I got a trade this week. Got a winning day secured. We just need four more trading days, which is around 2,600. So that's about just three good days, or just four consistent days. So it looks pretty good to me. Um, could have been better because we got a really nice fill. Like we got top tick 70 points, then it got to 30 points, which is would give us 600 day, but I didn't take that because you know the 30-second flush was good. But yeah, I'm done on the day. If I'm gonna review anything on this day, I cannot just really review my execution, so I'm probably just gonna screenshot this. But for me, the decent trades today was definitely long off of this, but this one is really B plus at most because we didn't manipulate to the low, making equal lows. But if you would try to think about it, where's that low? I think it was this. What low was it? Mm, was this low? It was an equal low. It's relatively equal lows, which makes it lower probability. But if you think about it, we took 15 intermediate lows, tap on it is 5 minute, but actually inversed it. So it's like B plus at most. So for me, the trade is actually a unfilled one. Apart from that, I cannot really see my fill here because this is like a different contract, but it was like a 30-point move. So it's got probably like this. This was the short I did and like stops probably like right here. Something like that. Um, where like I'm going to take profit at 50 points, which is around, let's say like this. Um, manually closed. So manually closed for a winning day. For a winning day. I just really want to secure the winning day when we failed flushing lower because if you would look at the 30-second, if it's meant to flush on this LR, it's gonna flush. But in this case, it didn't. So I just closed it. I'm up 600 something on the day. I mean 700 on the day if you're gonna combine the shit. So yeah, really clean day. Um, up 700 plus. Could be easily a four-figure day. Because I was up 600 on both, but obviously I was just letting it fly. But when I see the rejection, I was just alright. I'm gonna just manually close it there. Closed it, and I was trying to close in 500 if you would after the look in the past clips, but it just can't go to 500, so I just closed it there. Yes, and if I don't, break even, and it's not even a winning day. So I just secured a winning day. Done on that. So peace out, y'all.